ಪ್ರಿಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಆಧಾರ ಸ್ತಂಭ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ನಿರ್ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಸಲ್ಲ. ಅವಳು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಡೀ ಸಮಾಜ ದೇಶ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದಿಂದ ಇರುವುದು ಎಂದು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆ ಒಟಲಿ ಅನ್ಬನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ನುಡಿದರು. ಅವರು ಮಾಲ್ಮಡ್ಡಿಯ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಮತ್ತು IVF ಸೆಂಟರ್, ಇನ್ನರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್, ಹಮ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಇವರ ಸಂಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ ಉಚಿತ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತಪಾಸಣೆ ಶಿಬಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ನಾವು 21ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಂದಿರು ಕಲಿತ ಗುಣಗಳಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಹೊರ ಬರಲು ಆಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೊದಲು ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸದಸ್ಯರ ಊಟ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಉಳಿದ ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸುವ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಇಂದಿಗೂ ಜಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಗೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ ಆಹಾರ ಸಿಗದೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಹಾಳಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ವೈದ್ಯರ ಬಳಿ ಹೋಗಲು ಹಿಂಜರಿಕೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಗತಿ ಅವಲೋಕಿಸಿ ಉಚಿತ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತಪಾಸಣೆ ಶಿಬಿರ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಮೀರ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ, ಉಮೇಶ್ ಹಲ್ಲಿಕೇರಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಾಯಿ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ತಜ್ಞರಾದ ಮಣಿಕಂಠ್, ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಜಕೀರ್, ಸಂಗಮೇಶ್ವರಿ ಶಿಬಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಚಿತ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲಹೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ವೈದ್ಯರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಹಮ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಭಾರತ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ವೈದ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಬಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹಣ್ಣು ವಿತರಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು.
You all understand that if a woman is healthy, that's when her family will be healthy and the society will be healthy, the entire world can be healthy. And keeping that in their mind, organizing something like this is something that should receive a huge round of applause. So let's clap for all the organizations which have organized this free medical camp for women. And especially by someone like Dr. Saubhagya Kulkarni ma'am. She's someone that has been a role model for all of us, especially in Dharwad. We have looked at her as a leader, not just in the medical community, but as a woman who paves the way for other women to achieve. And we women, not just for health, even when it comes for achievement, even when we want to live our dreams, we are scared to live our dreams. But because we feel that we have to take care of so many people, can we live our own dreams? We sacrifice our own dreams so many times. But when women like this are around us, they show us how we can balance everything. You can balance, you can have a great family, you can also achieve your dreams, and you can be a role model for the entire community, entire society. So when she invited me for this event, I think I couldn't have been happier. Firstly, because I was being invited by ma'am, who I adore and admire my heart. That she respects me so much, and I think that give and take of love is amazing. And then I got to know that hospital that's been set up, Prashant Hospital, which is looking amazing. It has all the best facilities over here, and Innerwheel, who have joined hands. So I am associated with Innerwheel in various projects. They do tremendous work serving the community. So when all three of them have come together to do something like this, I think it's a great service to women, and everyone should avail the benefit. And I was just looking around this hospital. I think this is, as Komal mentioned, is one-stop center for women. And I don't see this anywhere in Dharwad, where you can just walk in, meet two amazing women and a great man who will solve all your issues. Right? And let us give utmost priority to our health, because I remember a couple of years ago I was not giving a lot of importance to my health, and I was always thinking about either work, friends, family, community, and I was in Bangalore back then, and I just realized that my health is going for a toss. I was experiencing a lot of things, but then I just thought, oh, it's just the fatigue, it's just that I'm working too hard, it's okay, I'll be fine. But then finally, when I got myself tested, it was too much, I couldn't handle it. Then I had to come to Dharwad and then get myself tested. It's just that I'm working too hard, it's okay, I'll be fine. But then finally when I got myself tested, it was too much, I couldn't handle it, then I had to come to Dharwad and then get myself tested. I realized that I had TB, right? I don't know from where I got it, but you just can't really know from where you got it. But yes, I used to work in a lot of NGOs, various people who had it also, and also you can get it from anywhere. So it was shocking for me, especially I am an athlete, I take care of my health. Back then, yes, I couldn't, but then I have always been very active. So it was a shocking thing for me, and then I realized the value of health, because for 6 months I was at home. I couldn't even go out because I was taking certain medicines every morning that was making me very weak. It was pretty bad. The condition was pretty bad. I was losing my hair. I had acne everywhere, side effects of all that. I went through so much, and more than that, the psychological thing. Because you're not supposed to talk about it. TB and cancer, you look at it as if it's something that we're not supposed to discuss about. Because of which we really cannot vent out our emotions, and that also affected me psychologically. And what are experiences. In my own family, I had women who were not feeling well and they didn't go and get themselves checked, and they finally realized when it was pretty bad that they were in the 3rd stage of cancer. Right? Stage. So 3rd stage of cancer. What are you going to do? Then it's very difficult. But like not there. If regularly we go and get ourselves checked, imagine how healthy we can be, and we can also take care of our
because we all know woman will be only engaged with her family. She will look after her husband and children and everything. Always neglects. Even today, as a gynecologist, I notice that most of the ladies come, they are more worried about their daughters, husbands and everybody, not about themselves. So this specific test, which especially bone density test, sugar, thyroid and all that, will create awareness, health awareness. So I am proud to say that Prashant Hospital is conducting these camps. And our daughter-in-law, Dr. Komal, will tell about 2 minutes about the facilities.
I have this proud privilege to talk about the hospital to all of you. As we all know, this hospital, Prashant Nursing Home, was started exactly 25 years back, single-handedly by Dr. Saubhagya Kulkarni. I just get overwhelmed. Excuse me. It was because of her single-handed hard work, passion to treat women that she is able to
Don't be emotional.
hundreds and thousands of deliveries and provided healthy babies to so many couple and helped so many couple get pregnant through infertility treatment. And not just that, that's all as an obstetrician, but as a family doctor also she has been a part of so many families which you are all aware of. So this has laid the foundation for this new center now, which has been renamed now as Prashant Hospital and IVF Center. The idea was, it was started with the dream that to provide all kinds of services and facilities to women of all age groups at one center. So we are happy to announce that we provide all kinds of super specialty services in the field of obstetrics and gynecology, like fetal medicine, laparoscopy, infertility, including IVF and gynecology as well. Poor class of people where we have general ward facilities, to the deluxe category of patients where we are providing 5-star amenities.